Hey guys, Jacob here with ePoolSupply. Today, we got a special treat for you. We're at A&A Manufacturing and we're going to show you how Venturi pop-up heads work. Here again with ePoolSupply. Today, we're going to go over how a Venturi pop-up head works, manufactured by A&A Pool Products. I have the privilege of here with Greg from A&A, the superstar of A&A. He's going to actually kind of dive in with us and kind of show us how they work, why they're better, why they're the best, and why you should upgrade. So let's kind of dive right in. So right now inside this tank we have a regular G4 and a G4 Venturi in the back of the tank. But let's kind of go over the overview of what makes a Venturi and why is it the best. Greg?
So with the traditional G4, this is all cleaning heads, current, before. They require 18 to 20 GPM in order to clean a pool properly. With our Venturi cleaning head, we only need about 12 per cleaning head. So it's a significant decrease in gallons per minute that we need going to the cleaning system. What that means to you, the homeowner, is with the variable speed pump, we're able to lower that, and through doing hundreds of these retros in the valley where I change out the G4s or G2s for Venturis, we install the Venturi heads, we see about a 50% energy savings. 40 to 60 is average, but 50% is right there with your high-speed power at the pump. So
that's the cool part too, is that these heads are designed to work with variable speed pumps. So when we're talking energy savings, so you're ramping your pump down and you're getting more gallons per minute out of your pop-up heads, which ultimately saves you money in the long run because you get to ramp that pump way down and you still get to blast those heads out at a really good radius and keep a sparkling clean pool, which is tremendous in my personal opinion. I mean, if you want to, you can have these things running all the time and your pool is going to be pristine. So, and ultimately too, with the Venturi, so we're going to show you here, we're going to dive in. So it's actually sucking water from the top of this pop-up head and forcing it out the front. At the same time, it's using the pump to push the water. So you're getting double water action through the pump or through the pop-up head.
So just to kind of break it down a little bit further there, a traditional cleaning head, the water that comes in from the bottom here is the same water that comes out. With our Venturi technology, we have a larger opening here, and what that does is as the water comes in, we narrow it down, and that shoots out this nozzle here, creating a low pressure here, which is drawing in from the top. So you get the water you're paying for going through the pump, with free water coming in through the top, making a larger nozzle pattern there.
That's awesome. Let's demonstrate. Let's just dive in and kind of show people. So yeah, if you want to walk them through what I'm doing here.
So what he's doing here is he's putting the pipe on top. We can tell you all day long that water is being drawn in through the top, but until you actually see it sealed off with the clear tube, you'll see that water drop. All you're seeing there is just air being drawn in.
That's awesome. That is pretty awesome.
So now, with the Venturi cleaning heads, we generally don't want those in too shallow of water just because they can draw in water from the top. So if you have them on a top step, we usually don't recommend them there, but they're great for the rest of the swimming pool. Deep benches.
And as you can see, I'll put this on here and nothing happens. It's not drawing water from the top. It's not that dual action. So strictly on this Venturi, we put this thing on there and it is forcing that water. That's a lot of gallonage right there. That's going to be supplemented. Let me hold this up straight so you can see it. It's wild. That is wild. And yeah, what he was saying too, that top step, that's almost the sound you might get if you put on the top step. So maybe it's the top step of your pool, throw in a regular.
So another good thing about the low flow they require is by turning your pump down, you're now filtering water through the filter lower. You're just running all of the equipment at a gentler speed, which is going to help with motor longevity, filter longevity. Everything's just going to last a lot longer for you there. So that kind of sums up the Venturi.
Well, I'm just going to throw things around here. So again, guys, us at ePoolSupply, we highly recommend these things. These are the best pop-up heads in our personal opinion. We highly recommend if you can upgrade to the Venturi because these things are a serious butt kicker inside your pool. We highly recommend them. Greg, thanks for joining us today.
Absolutely.
Thanks for having us.
Absolutely.
It's been great. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.